right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this entire car is wrapped in a matte PPF paint protection film. So it's not a vinyl wrap, it is full body PPF over that factory white paint. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Now you're gonna have this kind of oxidation here. It just came out of detail, it's still wet, and the car hasn't actually gone for a full drive. So once we go for a full drive, you're gonna see it clear up and it'll be nice and shiny. And then now you can see after a drive, they're nice and shiny. Scanning that fender. See a little bubble in the film here. That looks good. The film is over that logo there. Got the carbon mirrors. A-pillar looks good. Got the carbon roof here. It's got PPF on it, protecting it. Tiny little scuff right there on the film. Rest of that looks good. I don't see any other flaws there. This area is prone to getting impacted by rocks and little debris, so you're gonna have a few tiny little rock impacts. Try to get up as close as I can there. You're gonna see a couple of those little spots. All of that looks good. That section's perfect. That wheel looks good. Absolutely gorgeous car. Scanning that hood. Looks really nice. There is no PPF on those headlights. You do have some rash right here. And then you're gonna see your typical rock impacts on the plastic. The rest of that front end looks really nice. I'll get down under here so you can see. So you're gonna see just the plastic little lip here does have rash. Looking at that wheel, it's in great condition, no curb rash. That fender looks good. Side mirror's nice and clean. That A-pillar looks good there. You're gonna have your typical rock impacts in this area. It's very subtle though. That edge is good. Scanning that carbon. That looks beautiful. Quarter panel's clean. All the edges on this film are nice and tucked so far. It all looks really good. Zero curb rash on that wheel. Got the 315/30 21s. All of this is wrapped. Car also has exhaust on it. All of this looks good. Okay, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is absolutely gorgeous in here. That panel looks nice. You have a carbon strip here. Carbon there. Here's the factory paint. You can see the gloss white. And then you have the PPF over it. They did a great job on the line. That bolster's in great condition. Same here. Steering wheel looks good. Get super close, you're gonna see some wear. Very common on this, but you can see how soft it is. You can still make the lines in it. Absolutely gorgeous though. I don't see any other flaws that should be notated. That door panel looks good. You got the illumination on the ground there. Carbon's clean. Format looks good. Very little wear on the bolster edge, if any at all. Alcantara is nice and clean. Beautiful interior. And then you have the original marker lights, since those were upgraded to the clears. So that will be included. All of this is nice and clean. Got the carbon under here. Looks beautiful. All the plastic is in great condition.